This is the tutorial on how to import and display clinical notes. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, let's see how to import clinical notes. To import clinical notes, click on the Notes tab. Next, click on the Import Clinical Notes. Here, we can see that the instruction asks us to download the CSV template and fill in the information and upload it. To do so, click Download Template. Here is the view of the template. You can refer to the Guidance tab over here as a guide to fill in the template. After viewing the guidance, you can start to fill in by clicking the Template tab. Fill in the template according to the guidance. After completing the template, save the file. Make sure when you're saving the file type is changed to CSV. After saving the file, upload the file by clicking the Add button. The file are now uploaded. You can see the details of the notes here. Click Save. The clinical note are now added. Now let's see the display of the clinical note history. Click on the Import Note History tab. Here, we can see the history of the import note. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.